Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. My name is Lynette Kiunga from Strathmore University. Today we are going to be talking about unleashing the power of Amazon EC2 services. Amazon EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. That's a double C, EC2, Compute Cloud. Elastic Compute Cloud. The title is named Welcome to the Cloud Campus Chronicles. Here we'll be focusing on our student called Alex. Alex is a college student eager to conquer the academic world. But there's always a problem as in school as we try to figure out how to move to the next research. The college library is always bustling with students, and it's very hard to find a peaceful study spot. Slow computers, limited resources are always the fact that the struggling bit for the students that hinder their academic productivity. But in AWS has brought about cloud computing, and cloud computing is the practice of using network of remote servers that are hosted in the internet. Cloud computing enables us to transform the traditional campus into a cloud campus, whereby instead of being limited by the traditional campus, which has limited resources, we are able to use unlimited resources on AWS offering. Some of the AWS offering include AWS Amazon EC2, which we'll be looking at today. Then we have AWS Lambda, and we have Amazon Simple Storage Services. So some as we go through the Campus Chronicles, we'll be able to look through. So what is Amazon EC2? As I said, it's Elastic Compute Cloud, which is a service that provides virtual servers or instances in the cloud. So these instances grant you instant access to computing power, like having a personal virtual study space. With just a few clicks, Alex or any other student can be able to spin up an EC2 instance and create a virtual server customized to fit their academic projects or the academic needs according to the relevant research projects that they're carrying out in school. They're able to choose the CPU, the RAM, the storage, the instance type for a tailored experience. Some of the steps to spin up an Amazon EC2 instance on AWS is you first need an account, definitely for Amazon from AWS, and from there you're able to choose the AMI image. What I mean by AMI image is that you're able to choose either a Linux or a Windows or a Mac, and from there you're able to choose instance types and configure the instance configurations like the networking, add storage, which is the EBS, and then configure security group, which you're talking about the inbound rules and the outbound rules, and also you're able to review the configurations and set up the configurations. So from there, some of the benefits of EC2 include embracing flexibility and mobility. Alex is not tied to only the library. They can be able to study from anywhere else. And also, they are able to scale the EC2 instances according to the demands that they have, depending on the project or the exam season. So how can students use Amazon EC2? By learning and practicing. They can use it for learning and practicing, for development of environment for research projects, and for hosting websites or mobile applications that they can showcase to the employers. Another reason why we should learn Amazon EC2 is to enable us to make Alex become future ready, or any student become future ready, by understanding how to deploy and how to provision Amazon EC2. They can be able to, businesses are seeking such professionals, so they are able to learn the cloud expertise and offer these services to the businesses, and are able to get numerous career opportunities afterward. And through that, I want to say thank you for joining us today.